Everyone, we are going to solve the puzzle. If 2 plus 3 is 11, 3 plus 4 is 19, 4 plus 5 is 29, then 1 plus 2 is what? So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and if you have different logic, please comment down below. So let's start. So 2 plus 3 is 11. How? So when we add 2 and 3 and when we multiply the number and then add it, we get 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2 times 3 is 6 and 5 plus 6 is 11. Similarly, 3 plus 4 times 3 times 4 and then we'll add both the bracket. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 3 times 4 is 12 and 7 plus 12 is 19. Now add in the first bracket and do the multiplication in the next bracket and add both the bracket. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 4 times 5 is 20 and 9 plus 20 is 29. So what is 1 plus 2? First add, then do the multiplication and add both the bracket. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So what replaces the question mark? 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.